astronomy!
Hello friends! Could you help me figure out which picture is the right one? It's a ship.
Yay!
Next. It's a shop.
Yay!
Next. It's a shark.
Yay!
Next. It's a shell.
Yay!
Next. It's a shirt.
Yay!
Next. It's wash.
Yay!
Next. It's cash.
Yay!
Next. It's a dish.
Yay!
Next. It's a fish.
Yay!
Next. It's push.
Yay!
Good job, my friends.
Thanks for watching! Subscribe, like, and share!